Hi, I'm Justine. Welcome to English Sponge. This is another video in my series of videos about things. Today we're going to talk about 4 things that are sharp, 4 things that are pointy, 4 things that are sharp. Sharp things can cut you and hurt you. Sharp things can cut you. The first thing that is sharp is a needle. A needle is made from metal and it is sharp on one end. It is sharp on one end and it is pointy. The sharp end is pointy. Ow! A needle can be used for sewing. You can use a needle to sew 2 pieces of fabric together because the needle is pointy and sharp. The sharp needle can poke through the fabric. Needles can also poke your skin. If you need medicine, the nurse can poke a needle through your skin and give you medicine. Needles are sharp. Number 2, the second thing that is sharp is a knife, a kitchen knife. Kitchen knives are used to cut your food into smaller pieces so that it's easier to eat. But kitchen knives are sharp. I cut my finger.
Ouch!
Can you see the scar? I cut my finger when I was 12 years old cutting a tomato with a knife, and I cut my finger. I was not being safe. I was not being careful with my kitchen knife, and I cut my finger. Ow! If you cut your finger, it will bleed a lot. Be careful with kitchen knives. They are sharp. Number 3, the third thing that is sharp is a pair of scissors. These are my favorite scissors. They are red. Scissors have metal blades, and the blades are sharp. The end of the blades is also pointy. Ow! The scissors are sharp and the end is pointy. Scissors are good for cutting paper. Scissors are sharp. I can use scissors to make a paper snowflake. This is my paper snowflake. I cut my paper snowflake using my scissors. Number 4, the fourth thing that is sharp is broken glass. Broken glass is sharp on the edges. The edges are sharp and pointy. If you step on some broken glass on the floor, it will make your skin bleed. If you step with your foot on some broken glass, you will bleed. Broken glass is sharp. Have you ever cut yourself with a kitchen knife or maybe some broken glass? Let us know in the comments. Do you have a scar like me? Thank you for watching English Sponge. Bye!
If you want more videos like this, go to EnglishSponge.com. On the website, you can find videos from many different teachers. You can choose which level you want. A1 beginner, A2 beginner, B1 intermediate, or B2 upper intermediate. You can choose which accent you want to listen to: American, British, Australian, and also other accents. You can choose which topic you want to listen to, and you can choose which grammar point you want to focus on. The website will track your time, so you can see how many minutes you have listened to comprehensible input today, yesterday, and for the whole month. So go to EnglishSponge.com. The link is in the description of the video.